inside a highly controlled industrial complex.
This facility brings together heavy industry and cutting-edge engineering. This facility brings together heavy industry and cutting-edge engineering.
Every detail is planned and reviewed digitally before assembly begins.
Specialized materials are prepared under strict quality controls. The hull forms the backbone of the vehicle's protection and strength. Extreme accuracy is required at every stage of assembly.
Mobility systems are integrated to handle demanding terrain.
The turret is assembled as a complex, self-contained system.
When hull and turret meet, the vehicle takes on its iconic form.
Inside, advanced systems are organized for protection, control, and coordination.
Exterior surfaces are inspected to meet exacting standards.
At this stage, the tank is structurally complete and ready for evaluation.
From the factory to the field, the K2 Black Panther represents modern armored engineering.
Once assembly is complete, the K2 enters a strict testing phase. Onboard systems are powered and verified before movement begins.
The K2's advanced suspension is evaluated for balance and stability.
Initial mobility tests conferred control at low speeds. The tank is tested across varied terrain to ensure dependable performance.
Environmental testing prepares the vehicle for diverse operating conditions.
Operational evaluations verify integration and readiness.
Crew support and internal systems are checked for reliability.
After every run, the vehicle is thoroughly inspected.
Performance trials assess responsiveness at higher speeds.
Data from each test informs final approval decisions.
Having proven itself under testing, the K2 moves one step closer to service.
After testing, the tank undergoes final inspections by certified authorities.
Only after meeting every requirement is the vehicle formally approved.
The K2 Black Panther is officially accepted into service.
Only after meeting every requirement is the vehicle formally approved.
From the factory, the tank is prepared for deployment.
At its destination, the tank becomes part of an active force. Training ensures readiness without compromise.
In service, the tank is maintained with precision and care.
The K2 represents decades of armored vehicle evolution.
A symbol of modern armored engineering and national industry.
Every stage reflects a commitment to quality and performance.
From factory floor to frontline readiness.